Okay, let's unpack this. Today, we're diving into a topic that's, well, foundational to almost every business you interact with. But it often goes unnoticed until something goes really wrong. Commercial plumbing.
Yeah, exactly. You might think, oh, it's just pipes and drains, right?
Right.
But our sources show it's this whole specialized domain.
Yeah.
Way more complex and honestly more crucial than you might imagine.
So our mission today is basically to cut through some of that complexity. We want to give you the vital nuggets from expert insights on commercial plumbing services.
Mm-hmm.
We're talking everything, right? From like the initial setup to ongoing maintenance, emergency repairs, all within different commercial places, offices, malls, restaurants, even industrial sites.
And what's really fascinating, I think, is how commercial plumbing is just fundamentally different from residential.
Yeah.
It's not just, oh, more people use it.
Yeah.
No, it involved these extensive high-volume systems for water supply, really intricate drainage, robust waste disposal. Even things like heating systems, fire suppression systems are often tied in.
Wow. Okay.
Which kind of brings up a key question, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Why is investing in, professional commercial plumbing expertise so absolutely crucial for business owners? It's more than just keeping the water flowing, right?
That really is the core question, isn't it? Because look, often commercial plumbing just gets lumped in as a utility expense, a cost center.
Seen as a necessary evil sometimes.
Exactly. But our research really emphasizes that professional services ensure you're sticking to local building codes, regulations.
But you're strict.
Very strict. And they're there to protect public health and safety. We found this one case study. A restaurant lost a whole month's revenue.
Ouch.
Yeah. All because of a preventable grease trap issue, a violation. Mm-hmm. It just highlights that non-compliance isn't just fines. It's like serious operational disruption. Even hits your reputation.
Oh, absolutely. Neglecting these systems can literally grind a business to a halt. Just think about it for a second. A seemingly minor leak, maybe ignored for a bit. Yeah. It can escalate so fast into major water damage. Huge cost, huge mess.
Right.
We saw this example, a high-rise office building. They invested in a big plumbing overhaul. And yeah, it fixed their persistent drainage issues, but it also drastically cut down tenant complaints. Actually improved their property value.
That's a tangible benefit.
And another one, a retail center. They proactively upgraded to eco-friendly fixtures. They saw a verifiable 30% drop in their water bills.
30%. Okay, those are real numbers. That goes straight to the bottom line. But when we talk about commercial plumbing, what are we really talking about? Beyond just the obvious pipes and drains we see, what are some of those specialized systems, the ones that maybe fly under the radar a bit?
Good question. So beyond the general water supply, drainage, waste disposal, we get into specific applications. Restaurants, for instance, they rely heavily on specialized grease traps.
Ah, the grease traps.
Yeah, essentially filters stopping fats, oils, grease, FOG they call it, from clogging up the main sewer lines.
Okay.
They're critical. Seriously. Not cleaning them regularly. That's a leading cause of nasty, expensive backups and health code violations for loads of eateries.
Right. Makes sense.
And then for safety, you've got fire suppression systems. Sprinklers, mainly.
Yeah.
Needs specialized setup, rigorous testing, regular maintenance. It's non-negotiable.
So each area needs its own expertise.
Exactly. Distinct knowledge for each.
Okay. It sounds like a lot to manage. It makes you wonder, how are materials and technology keeping up with all this? Any emerging trends? Innovations making waves?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
The industry is definitely evolving. There's a big shift towards sustainability and tech integration.
Okay.
Eco-friendly solutions are huge right now. Think low-flow toilets, smart faucets, stuff that really cuts down water usage. And our sources suggest the ROI on these could be surprisingly quick.
Really?
Yeah. And then there's a smart tech integration, using sensors, advanced water management systems.
For what purpose?
Real-time monitoring, early leak detection, basically catching problems before they become disasters.
Yeah.
What's truly sort of revolutionary is predictive analytics. Using data from these smart sensors, it's changing maintenance from just reacting to fixing stuff before it breaks, potentially cutting emergency repair costs by 40%.
40%. Wow. That sounds incredibly useful for efficiency, for costs. It also makes you wonder about the actual materials. Are we still just talking copper pipes? Or is there innovation happening there too?
Well, copper is still definitely highly regarded.
Right.
Great longevity, resists corrosion, good for water supply lines.
Right.
But yeah, sources highlight other key materials too. PVC, for example, widely used for drainage. It's lightweight, cost-effective, great for high volume waste.
Okay.
And PEX, that's PEX, cross-laned polyethylene.
PEX, got it.
It's gaining huge popularity, super flexible, easy to install, really good for retrofitting jobs because you need fewer connections. Fewer connections mean fewer potential leak points, faster installation too.
Interesting. So different materials for different jobs.
Exactly. Depends on the specific commercial use, budget, all that.
So wrapping this up, what does all this mean for you listening in? The business owner, the facility manager. It really sounds like we should view commercial plumbing less as just a utility expense and more like a strategic, proactive investment, an investment in the business's operational health, its long-term stability, even its environmental impact.
That's a great way to put it. And if we connect this to the bigger picture, commercial plumbing is always evolving, right? We're seeing these trends, eco-friendly stuff, smart tech, and probably stricter regulations coming down the line.
Right.
So it raises this important question, I think. How will businesses strategically get ready for future plumbing needs? How will they integrate these innovations, not just to, pick boxes for compliance and efficiency, but to actually enhance their long-term operational success and be better environmental stewards?
Definitely something for you to mull over. Thinking about those hidden systems quietly making our commercial spaces work every day. That's our deep dive for today.